Today we are very happy to announce the launch of our 30 days happiness journal. This is a very powerful, very interesting journal, and this has got one interesting activity for one day and then your observation from that activity. Then you can also write your intention, and with this you will also get an in 21 days intention cards with this. Then these intention card, you can pick one intention of the day and you can also observe your thoughts and you can see how it works. Then there is the observation, how your day was, which emotion was supportive, which are the things that added up to your happiness, and the things that you really discovered to experience a deeper level of happiness. So this is a very beautiful journal, a 30 days journal, which you can use it for yourself, for your family member, with your clients, within your organization, in any way. It's a beautiful 30 days happiness journal. If you're interested, you will also get 21 days very powerful intention card. These intentions are not just the normal intentions. These are very powerful intention. If I give you some examples of the intention, that would really help you understand it. Now, examples like, be ready to get robbed. Let the divine thief rob you. Now, what does it mean? Now, with every intention, we also send you a write-up that what each intention means. The idea is that many a time we really don't want other people to take advantage of us. In the process, we keep ourselves closed. But when we keep ourselves closed, we also forget that there are so many opportunities we are shutting down where people could add value to our life. And similarly, are you dead or alive? No is death, yes is life. Become a big yes to life today. Ready to be a fool. Realizing your foolishness is your first step towards your wisdom. Time to get soaked in all the colors. Embrace all the colors life throws at you today. So these are very beautiful intentions of the day that you can use it with this journal or even without this journal. So you can buy this journal and get this intention card, or you can also buy this intention card separately.